Hey guys, so in a little bit I'm going on like a drive, and as you guys know, well, you guys don't know, but I get bored on long drives. Well, most of the time if I don't have anything with me, I just stare out the window. I'm like, seriously. So I'm gonna do best fidgets for a car ride. First up, a squishy. Obviously. And this is one of my favorite squishies. You can see how slow rising it is. And it's really slow. But yeah. So first off, they're quiet. See how little noise I made? And that sound is my hand getting off of it. So it's really quiet. And it's like really soft. It feels nice. In the bag. Next, I'd recommend a Pop-It. Help me decide. My dinosaur Pop-It, yes, it has a hole in this one. Or this one. I'll go with my dino. Sorry about that. I have food stuck. Since I just am tired of it having like a little hanging bubble, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay guys, I did it. It pops so much better now. Okay, I have to bring this T-Rex Pop-It. It's one of my favorite Pop-Its anyways. I'll bring my Simple Dimple, Mini and Quiet. I'll bring a mini Pop-It. Now this is a hard decision. I have 2 more mini Pop-Its, but these are my top 3 that I would want. Oh, never mind. I'll put it in. I'm gonna bring. Should I bring this one? This one? This one? Or this one? I'll do mini, 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 mo, and then I'll show the numbers in my name, like how many letters in my name. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch or take it by itself. If he hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. My mother said to pick the very best one, and you are a red, yellow, blue. I choose you. Yes, that's what I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm bringing the dino back. Okay, just kidding. I'm bringing these guys, both of them. I'm bringing my Takumo Kitty. Very good for roads. And I'm trying to fit everything in. Should I bring my Nemo? bring my needle. I will bring this triple dimple. Just kidding. I'm bringing, no. Yeah, I'll bring my duck. Is the duck squishy? And then I'll bring my rocky track. My backpack's getting really full. No way I'm bringing these mochis that are like globbles. I stuck this one up to my ceiling. Yes, I know it's really dirty, but I stuck it up to my ceiling and it stuck there for over a week. Yeah, a week. Over that. My mom got it down for me. So I'm going to bring, this will be the last thing. I'm going to bring this like fidget ring. Just kidding. I'm going to bring my octopop and spinner. No, just the spinner, just the spinner. Oh, okay, and my octopop. Okay, so I chose my fidgets. Next, since I'm just gonna bring my book, my Harry Potter book, because I only have like 28 pages left of the whole 7th book. Yes. To show you guys proof, because I know some people will bring me Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, and I'm like, wait. I'm like right here. And of course, well, I'm gonna have to bring my fanny pack with my phone in it. I really hope my phone's alive. If it's not, I'm gonna be dead. Like dead, dead. Where did it go? It was right here. My mom must have took it. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, whoops, I forgot. No, I'm not gonna bring this sand stress ball. It's like a dough ball, but hard, and it's not. It's like full of flour or sand, but it's really moldable. I don't know what it is. But thanks for watching. Bye. And yes, I'm actually gonna bring these fidgets. I'm not lying to make a video, because some people actually think that, but us fidget YouTubers lie and say, oh yeah, we're gonna bring these, and then we don't. But this time I'm actually going on a cart trip and not doing it for recommendations. And thanks for watching. Bye.